Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, we're fixing to start an awesome outdoor project, upgrading a outdoor audio system because we know that we spend more and more time outside and we want just better audio. And so we're using, of course, James Loudspeaker. We've had some custom speakers made. So we're replacing the old planters. I don't know what brand this is, but they sound horrible. So we've got these new speakers from James. They're all in antique brass. You can configure them where there's 4 speakers in it, one around every side, and then we have a 10-inch sub underneath. For this configuration, we chose to only have 2 because we're going to place it similar to right here. So it's firing this way. We have 2 of these. So both of them have a 10-inch sub with 2 4-inch sats in each one. One is here and one is over there. And then we have 2 custom speakers on the patio, or I'm sorry, the other side of the pool. We'll show you those here in a second. They're custom made to go right on top of the columns. And those are all also in antique brass. And of course, we're using the Sonance DSP amp, the 2750. So we got a lot of work ahead. We got to do some toning. We got to mount the speakers and get everything hooked up. We got the presets going into the amplifier. So stay tuned and let's go down there and check these out real fast. Okay, so we're down at the lower end of the pool, the opposite end of the pool. And so we have these custom speakers by James. They're all powder coated, marine grade aluminum. And we got the 5 1/4 with the quad array of tweeters for wide dispersion. So if you pan across the other side, there's another one going over there. We just have this temporarily sit on top just to show you guys. We're going to take this off, wire it in, and then mount it on top of this stone. We wanted to kind of bring out the colors. It's probably hard to see, but there's different shades of bronze and browns and different tones in the stone. And so we wanted to match the speakers up top. So that's another reason why we like to use James, guys, because everything's custom. We can make whatever color, whatever shape. So these are totally one of a kind. We drew these out exactly the way we wanted. We chose what speakers we wanted them made out of. Custom grills. So when we put the grill into the speaker, it's going to have a nice, clean fit and finish, and the sound is going to be phenomenal. And so can't wait to get this job done. Can't wait to see how it sounds. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us today. I want to get you guys started on what we're doing so far. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we got the Omni 109s on the patio. We got the custom speakers put on the columns, and man, they look great. We're getting ready to start testing everything out. Just want to show you guys what it looks like so far. Again, down here, might be little, but man, this thing is heavy. And we got to do some leveling, move this around, try to get a good position. But we have a speaker on this side, a speaker on this side, and a 10-inch sub in the middle. And like I said, it looks small, but it's going to have a lot of power to it. So it should sound super awesome. And this will fill this whole area. We got another one over there, and then the 2 customs on the columns. So let's get out there and show you guys what that looks like. Can't wait to test it out. Here we go. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up this project. And we got music playing, we got everything tuned out, adjusted the bass treble, balanced some speakers, things like that. And it sounds incredible. And it's just nice, simple, clean design, with our custom speakers from James way out there. And we'll show that in a second because right now I'm in kind of a dark area. When I go out there, it's going to be super bright. So, but there's a lot to be said when it comes to designing the space outdoors. Not only you want it to look good, you want it to sound good, and that's what we've done here. Lots of great options with James. That's why we use those guys, because we want to do custom colors, custom configurations, all the above. So again, here's our speaker, nice and clean. Again, this will be custom configured. We did 2 of the 4 sides because we didn't need to face speakers towards the house, so we just have them facing outward. And then we have the 10-inch sub underneath. And we have 2 of these on the patio, one here, one over there. So a nice full bass covering the entire patio with 1 amp. Again, the 2750 Sonance DSP. And let's go out there real fast and show you the finished product out there. All right, guys, so let's take you by the pool and check out these speakers we had made out here. As you can see, we have these custom speakers by James. And I got pictures of those with the grills off. I'll show you guys, but these are all custom made to match these columns. totally waterproof. As you can see in the picture that I'll post up right here, all the drivers. It's got the quad array of tweeters, 2 5.25, and man, these are made to perform, and wide dispersion. So having these two this wide, and they look like they're supposed to be here because we had them colored in antique brass, so it brings in the different tones of the stone and everything around it. So just another great touch to make this space beautiful, but yet sound really good. So guys, get any questions, comments, please leave them down below. If you guys want any suggestions, or if you need your backyard design with great choice audio video, of course, with nice audio, nice video, give us a call. Until next time, we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.